Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now, sorry if I sound off. I really don't think I do, but I'm not really sure because just over the weekend, I don't know. It's either my allergies got horrible or I'm getting sick, which I really can't tell because it's basically the same as my allergies, but yeah, I don't know. I could be sick too. So sorry if in advance, but we have two team select diamonds today. I think one of them is from the the 50 in the off-season events, and then I think the other is a club craft. It's actually not a terrible pack opening, really. Better than really anything I've had in a while. So yeah, let's jump into this. Prime, I have not seen a Prime in a long time. I would really like one. Dallas Keuchel, that's one of the better starting pitchers in this game, actually, I think. Kind of crazy how he can go from pretty good in Houston to awful in the span of a few years. Then he goes to the Braves, and he's one of the worst pitchers we've seen. Then he goes to the White Sox, and he's elite. White Sox and the Blue Jays seem to have habits of doing that. Like, Jay is with Robbie Ray. Taiwan Walker went there. He was good. I mean, Alek Manoah, of course. I mean, this year, the White Sox, actually, Johnny Cueto's been pretty good. Oh, sorry, guys. Puppy she has to jump on me. Just absolutely has to. Let's see here. What do we got here? No primes, which expected. What, Vinny, what's his name? Which, every time I see this guy in the Royals lineup, I just wonder, who is this guy? Like, the guy just came out of nowhere. I had never heard of him once. Trey Turner, yeah, of course. Incredible, he is. What, I think it's gonna hit 2020. That's a certain at this point, I think. Adley Rutschman, actually, he's really looking like a good card in this game. Like, this is a fantastic GI distribution, base stat distribution. Wow. Just look at Peter Fairbanks here. That's just wow. You know what? We're going to go compare that to Ryan, however you say his name. I can never get it right. Where is he? Oh, he's probably closer, yeah. Yeah, he's way better than Hesley right now. What? 101. What does he have? 162. He's only pitched in 17 games. Yeah, I don't think that's worthy of a better base. Now let's do premiums. No prime. Mike Moustakas had a few good years there with the Brewers. Now he's just bad. No diamonds. Can we get a prime? No primes. Lorenzo Cain. I am still surprised that Lorenzo Cain has not been taken out of the game. He got cut by the Brewers probably 3 or 4 months ago at this point. Well, no diamonds and not a singular prime. Got a vintage at least. Which, that's by far the best. Mariners, third baseman, because Seager's taken out. Ooh, we're going to have to go in special trains soon, it looks like. The Dodgers here, give me a live Mookie Betts. Well, it's not diamonds, so I really don't care. There's Walker Buehler. He's going to be out the rest of this year and next year. Tommy John. Second time of his career. Justin Brewheel, something. Actually not throwing awful innings. Yeah, I guess we'll just go special train right now. So we're actually getting close here. Let's hope we can get to level 6. Now this is... You guys have to tell me here in the comments if I am just the weirdest person you have ever listened to talk for this. Because I have this weird theory or something that I just do where I keep one of every special trade material that I have. Like 1 gold, 1 silver, 1 bronze, 1 common. I really don't know why I do it, but I just do. Like, I know it makes basically no sense at all, but I don't know why I still do it. Yeah, we'll special train Kelly away. There we go. Level 6. I'm trying not to waste too much, 'cause really we're just looking for the diamond skills at the time being. Grandal, 6. Now we gotta find someone to special train. Belly, 6. Kirk, we could definitely get up to 10. Granke, 6. 1. Bullpen's got a ways to go. It's basically a starting lineup done with diamond skills, though. I think I'll go for max level on Kirk Gibson. Just get him out of the way. Do a team selects. Just use Alks. We'll easily get another one in 2 weeks' time. No team prime. I would love to see that Gonsolin out of like a TSD Vesia. I think mine needs upgrade material, so that's good. I don't think Wood needs it. Grandal, no. That's mostly garbage right there. 1 ultimate. Nothing. Yordan Alvarez, you Darvish. Kind of tried combining their names there, it sounded like. But, yeah, players of the week. That means we'll both get a POTM bonus. Michael Givens. Ooh, actually, that's something I should have looked out for because I need power pitcher on someone. Well, don't need it, but if I can get it on someone, then I can get a useful card out of Mentor, basically is what I'm saying. Riley Green. One of my old clubmates was friends with someone who knows him, like his dad or something. So for a well, there's another troll. Is that Josh Naylor? Bingo. Probably wouldn't use him on the... Well, actually, I think this video is going up before it, so let's not spoil it for you guys. Scherzer's back. Ooh, is Mago back? I think that's what that said. Well, that went away too quick. And Dodgers. You know, give me like McGee 20, a prime, or good batter. I mean, really, there's not much we're hunting for out of these things. I mean, prime, McGee 20. Once we're done with batter for mentor, that's out of the table. Mookie 20. The list is getting low. Let's hope we can knock out one of those needs here. That knocks out literally nothing. See, I've been rolling skills on my Bueller on the other Dodgers team for so long. Like, why can't I get this? Like, I mean, sure, it's not the best. I'd have to use a level reset on it, too. But, the rate we're going there, this would actually be a big improvement over my, what do you call it? My Alex Wood with, Finn Mess. So now, as said earlier, we are going batter here because I am looking for that, like, one last piece I need for mentor. Of course, I'd take a Mookie Betts 20. I'd take a Sean Green prime, Justin Turner prime. I don't know why I even ask for primes out of these things. Just hope for good batter. That absolutely does not fit that mold. Oh, speak of Josh Naylor. Well, I'm actually probably going to honestly special train that Zach McKinstry away. That's a disappointment. Keep that Ryu. Maybe we can use him for something. Now let's go to pitchers here and see. None of you have anything I need. Oh, upgrade. Don't forget about that. Yeah, Vesia. Let's see if we can get that. Nope. He's actually got a fairly solid train on him right now. Which, I'm going to finish that with amps, of course. Now, let's go into Gibson. Yeah, I don't think I need any of those guys. So, yeah, guys, that'll do it for today's video. Usually I would probably go in, usually I'd do gameplay here, but I have 2 videos after this to record, so yeah, not exactly looking to lose my voice here, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys next time.